Dear children, today we can learn about integers. You know, natural numbers, that is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That is counting numbers. Then whole numbers, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now we come to integers. Here, integers numbers are having sign, that is positive and negative sign. Why do they have positive and negative sign? Because they denote direction. Direction means, you know, the east, west, north, south. In arithmetic also, we say when the numbers are to the right of 0, they are positive integers. When it comes to the left, they are called negative integers. That is negative numbers. They are positive numbers and to the left they are negative. So this 0 is in the middle and to the right they are positive and to the left they are negative. Here to the right, positive 1 is the least integer. Positive 1 is least integer, smallest integer. But when they come to the left, negative 1 is the greatest integer. Positive 1 is the least integer or the smallest integer and negative 1 is the greatest integer. It denotes what happens in our life. See, when there is an up, that is when the numbers goes right, their value increases. But when comes to the left, their value decreases. Here the positive 1 is the smallest, but here the same one which is carrying that negative sign is greatest. One side it is least and in the opposite side it is greatest. So here we cannot say which number is the biggest one. Here we cannot say which number is the least one. This is about integers. When we come to coordinate geometry, the same integer line when moves up, that is when we move them in anti-clockwise direction, that this number line becomes like this. That is, this is up, this is down, 0 is in the middle. First this number line was like this. Now this part comes up, that is the positive side comes up. That is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So when we go up, when we rise, denotes positive. When we go down, this denotes negative. So up denotes positive, down denotes negative. Right denotes positive, left denotes negative. Now we have to learn how to add two integers. First we learn about addition, then we come to subtraction. See, almost all of the the students find very difficult about adding and subtracting integers. They find it very difficult, but it is not that much difficult, children. It is very easy. Watch this video. Listen carefully. I will give you easy way to add or subtract integers. The easy way is, see, remember this always. Same sign. That means we are going to add two integers. Same sign. Add and put the same sign. Same sign. If you are adding two numbers of same sign, add and put the same sign. Example, 7 plus 5. Listen carefully. These two are positive, means that is positive 7 added to positive 5 means add 7 and 5. Add 7 and 5. This results give you 12. Put the same sign. Both the numbers 7 and 5 have the sign positive. So, same sign. One more example. 3 plus 8. Both have the same sign. See, both the numbers have the same sign. Positive, positive. So, you add 3 plus 8 which gives you 11 and put the same sign. In the same way, if these two numbers, that is 7 and 5, if they are both negative, see, both negative, add and put the same sign. Add 7 and 5, you get 12 and put the same sign, that is negative. So the answer is negative 12. While adding, if the numbers have the same sign, add and put the same sign. Remember this sentence? Same sign, add and put the same sign. That is positive 7, positive 5 and added will give you positive 12. Negative 7, negative 5 and add will give you negative 12. Now what happens if they are of different sign? Same sign, it is easy. What about different sign? Two numbers having different sign. So, while adding, if they are of different sign, subtract. Listen carefully. Subtract. And put the greatest number sign. Greatest number sign. Different signs. So, two numbers are having different sign. Now see, I am choosing the same number 7 and 5. For one number, suppose this is positive and this is negative. Here what you have to do is, if both are having, that means different sign, then subtract. Subtract. What is that? Subtract 5 from 7. You will get 2. Put the greater number sign. Put the greater number sign. When you compare 7 and 5, the greater number is 7. So its sign is positive. For in this case, we cannot write like this because the teacher can explain only the method, that is when we subtract, we usually subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So here, if we write 7 minus 5, you will get the result 2. Here the sign of the greater number is positive. So we give positive sign, positive 12. Now, if the case is different, now see, negative 7, this is negative 7 plus positive 5, positive 5. What happens? In the same way, you subtract 7 minus 5, you will get 2. Which number is greater now? 7 is greater. 7 has sign negative. So the sign is negative. So here the result is negative 2. While adding, same sign, add and put the same sign. While adding, numbers having different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. Check which number is greater among these two. Then subtract these numbers, write the result and check which number is greater and have what sign is assigned to that and put that sign. It's very simple, children. Next video we can come to subtraction of integers. Thank you for watching.